Hello everyone, good to see you again. Let's get down to business. Alright, this is Workbook Part 5A. Okay, a bad hair day. You remember? A bad hair day. Number 1, grammar. Simple present, I and you. A, complete the sentences. Use each verb once. Just once, okay? And for example, number 1, I drink coffee. All right, drink coffee, positive. And we have negative as well. And part B, write the questions. For example, number 1, A, I don't live downtown. Do you live near here? Good. Okay, stop the video. Do it. Check with your partner. Great. Play the video. Alright, number 2. I have 4 children. Number 3. I don't want a magazine. Number 4. I live downtown. And number 5. I don't like cats. Negative, right? Negative. Alright, part B. I don't want a newspaper. Do you want a magazine? I don't like dogs. Do you like cats? I don't have a camera. Do you have a cell phone? Do you drink coffee? Well done. Great, you did good. Let's move on. Okay, complete the dialogue with do or don't. Alright? For example, A. Do you have a car, Rachel? No, I. Alright, now listen and check. Let's do it.
File 5A. Grammar. D.
Do you have a car, Rachel?
No, I don't.
Oh. Do you live near here?
Yes, I do. I live downtown.
Excuse me. Do you want a coffee, sir?
Yes, please.
And you, miss?
No, thanks. I don't like coffee.
They have tea? Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. Tea is great.
Okay. 1 coffee and 1 tea.
Well done. Very nice. Good. Let's see your answers. Do you have a car, Rachel? No, I don't. Oh, do you live near here? Yes, I do. I live downtown. Excuse me, do you want a coffee, sir? Yes, please. And you, miss? No, thanks. I don't like coffee. They have tea. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Tea is great. Okay, 1 coffee and 1 tea. All right. Now, in the next part, vocabulary, common verbs. Number 1, write the verbs drink, eat, have, listen to, read, speak, want, watch. Okay, for example, number 1, I drink soda, right? Okay, now stop the video, do it and check it with your partner. Are you ready? Good. Play the video. Okay, number 2, I have 2 cats. Number 3, I watch TV in the evening. Number 4, I speak Chinese. Number 5, I eat Mexican food. Number 6, I read magazines. Number 7, I want a new car. Number 8, I listen to Brazilian music. Well done, great. Now, we have a reading here. Read the interview and use these questions. Fill in the blanks. Interview with a hair stylist. For example, this is a hair stylist, right? My name is Jonathan, John for short, right? So what is your name or what's your name? Let's do it together, me and you. I am from Rio de Janeiro. It's a big, beautiful city. Which question? Okay. Can we say where are you from? Let's see. Yes, where are you from? Okay, the answer, yes, I am. My wife is Italian. Her name is Celia. She's very good looking. So which question again? Are you married? Okay, number 4. Yes, we do. We have a little girl. Her name is Bianca. She's 3. Do you have children, I guess? Yeah. Yes, I do. I work in a salon downtown. It's very small, but it's nice. I guess. Do you work near here? Very good. Yes, I do. I work with my friends and I speak to a lot of new people every day. It's very interesting. Do you like it? Great. Now, look at the highlighted words and phrases. These highlighted words, little or little, salon, a lot of. Okay, what do they mean? Do you know? Look at the dictionary. Check with your partner. Right? Okay. Pronunciation, everybody. Circle the word with a different sound. Which? Okay? V. Vase. W. House. Hat. Can you do it? Okay. Listen and check.
File 5A. Pronunciation. B. 1.
Where? What? Who? Who is different?
Who is different?
2.
Very. Want. TV. Want is different.
3.
Who? White. Hair. White is different.
Well done. These are the answers. Well done. You did very good. Great. Now, in the next part, listen and repeat. Copy the rhythm. Linked sounds. Linked sounds. Do you remember? Okay, let's practice.
File 5A. Pronunciation. C. 1.
Do you want a soda?
2.
I have a brother and he's a teacher.
3.
I drink a coffee and read a book in the morning.
4.
I live in a house in a small city.
Okay, very nice. Well done. Very good. Now, listening. Listen to the dialogues and choose A or B. The woman lives A, near here, B, downtown. Listen, circle A or B. Let's do it.
File 5A. Listening. 1.
Do you live near here, Julia?
No, I don't. I live downtown.
Me too.
2.
Do you have children, Stephen?
Yes, I do. I have a son and a daughter.
Oh, I have a daughter. She's 6.
Really? My daughter is 6 too.
3.
Bob, do you watch MTV?
No, I don't.
Do you watch CNN?
No, I don't. Sorry, I don't like TV. I read books.
Really? I like TV and books.
4.
Brian, do you like Mexican food?
No, I don't.
Really? But you speak Spanish.
Yes, I speak Spanish, but I don't eat Mexican food. I like Japanese food.
5.
Do you like pop music, Liz?
No, I don't. Do you?
No, I don't like pop music. I'm old.
Well, I listen to classical music. Do you?
No, I don't. I like Brazilian music.
Well done. Good. Check with your partner. These are the answers. The woman lives downtown. The man has 2 children. The woman likes TV. The man speaks Spanish. The woman listens to classical music. Right, great. Okay, these are some useful words and phrases that you can use. Learn these words and phrases. Hair, hairstylist, salon, first time, magazine, near here, downtown, don't worry, wait, little, a lot of. That's it, everybody. Thank you for watching. Learn something new every day. You can do it. You just have to believe it here.